Morning arrives in the village, not with a gentle awakening, but with a harsh reminder of reality. For Elvis, another sunrise means another battle for survival. He does not have a home, a ball, or a master. His only certainty is the burning ache of an empty stomach. Every alleyway is a maze. Every scent is a clue. In this world, to stop moving is to give up. And Elvis is not ready to give up. The village begins its day, indifferent to the silent predator called hunger that stalks this lonely wanderer. Hope draws him toward the smell of fresh food. But out here, hope can be dangerous. A wagging tail is often met with a harsh shout or a thrown stone. Rejection is an old friend. Elvis moves on to the edges of the village, where human waste becomes a street dog's treasure chest. But the streets have laws. Unwritten, brutal laws. This territory belongs to the strong, and Elvis is outnumbered, outmatched, and exhausted. Fear fuels his tired legs. In the concrete jungle, survival means knowing when to fight and when to run. By afternoon, the sun becomes a new enemy. It bakes the earth, turning the streets into a furnace. Water is a luxury. Clean water is a miracle. Elvis is forced to survive on mere drops leaking from a broken pipe. In the shadows of a parked machine, he hides from the heat. The world rushes past him. To the busy villagers, he is invisible. Just another ghost of the streets. As the shadows lengthen, the desperate cycle begins again. The hunger has returned, sharper and heavier than before. As evening falls, the village gathers. Elvis follows the hum of human voices. It is a gamble, but hunger leaves him no choice. He does not beg. He does not buy. He simply waits, asking only for a sliver of mercy from a world that usually ignores him. Then a moment of grace. A pair of kind eyes sees his struggle. A simple piece of bread broken with love changes everything. For the first time today, the pain in his belly fades. A small act of kindness saves a life. The stranger leaves, but the warmth remains. Elvis has won today's battle. He has survived. Tonight he sleeps in peace. Tomorrow the struggle will begin again. But for now, Elvis is safe. But on the streets, peace is a luxury that never lasts. As midnight passes, the summer heat breaks, giving way to dark, heavy clouds rolling over the village. The wind picks up, turning dust into blinding sheets. For humans, rain is a relief. For Elvis, it is a threat to the only dry sanctuary he has. Thunder cracks like a gunshot across the sky. Elvis wakes up with a jolt, his ears pinned back, his heart racing. Fear is a sharp instinct, but he must find sturdier shelter. The downpour begins. Within minutes, the dirt roads turn to thick mud. Elvis runs through the freezing rain, his fur soaked to the skin, searching for safety. Blinded by the storm and shivering violently, Elvis tries to cross the main village road. The glare of headlights suddenly cuts through the dark. A heavy truck roars past, splashing a wave of muddy water.